using Astro A50 with your PS4 and PC. In this video, you're going to learn how to use Astro A50 on PS5 and PC at the same time. The process is very simple. You just have to follow the lead in this video. So, as you know, whenever you buy any headphone, you get some sort of audio controller device, which should always change the device settings. So there is an option for connect multiple ports. So one of the port you have to connect with your PS4 could be the USB. The second device can be connected with the audio jack, and that's how you will be connected to your PC and PS4 at once. Now you will use single headphone to hear audios from both of these devices. The process is simple. You just have to follow these. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.